In today's video, we are going to show you how to open a demo account on GatesFX. A demo account lets you practice trading with virtual funds, so there's no risk involved. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials. And then, as you can see on the top corner, you have 3 tabs where you can see you can simply open and click the. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials, and on the top corner of the Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials, and on the center of your dashboard, you can see that there are 3 blue tabs, and number 1 is going to be opening the demo account. I want you to click on it. If you do, as you can see, you just have to select the category. So you can choose from a MetaTrader 5 or a Trade Locker demo. So for now, we're going to choose the Trade Locker demo. Okay, and click the continue button. Now from here, you can choose from any of the following. You can choose maybe a raw ECN account or a standard STP account, depending on your preferences. Now for this video, we're going to choose the third option and click the continue button. Now you can select the initial balance, and you can have a minimum of 1,000, or you can go as far as 100,000 if you wanted, and click the continue button. You have now successfully created a demo account here in GatesFX. Use these details to log in to the trading platform and start practicing trades in real market conditions without risking real money. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next video.